The truck is approaching Dock 3.
I see the vitals on the Simmentals, all stable. Keep them moving slowly now. Yep. Making sure they follow the curve.
This matches the tag. Did you log the weight? Yes, 7,200 pounds. Moving to the next one. Gate secured, equipment check complete, all clear.
Confirmed. He is calm.
Ensure the hindquarters are completely clear.
Yes, ma'am.
The hygiene levels are optimal. Make sure you get under the dewlap there.
No, that looks perfect, actually.
Yeah.
Well done.
This section is fully sanitized, pressure adjusted as required.
Excellent work. Record the completion time and move to Bay 3.
The coat looks excellent overall. Check the digital log.
Agreed.
Just this one spot here by the hoof needs a quick rinse.
Final inspection complete, all clear on the coat.
All right, take him to the next station. Temperature stabilizing, right on target. Yes, the viscosity looks perfect. The system is operating at peak efficiency.
Verify the process parameters. Are we at optimal condition? Yes, sir. Temperature and smoothness are perfect. All valves checked and secured. Calibration is complete. Excellent. Let's start the mixing sequence.
We have 25.2 kilograms of shea butter.
Verified. I'm logging it on the tablet.
Looks good. Ensure the barcode scans correctly before transport.
Consistency readings look good across the board.
The samples are showing perfect uniformity. We are on schedule.
Check the viscosity reading here. It's slightly above the threshold. The record shows stabilization within the hour. Continue monitoring. The color dispersion seems complete. What is the reading on the colorimeter?
It is exactly within the acceptable range, Supervisor. We are ready for approval.
The batch is fully integrated.
Confirmed. The flow rate is stable and the color match is exact.
The pink shade is developing nicely. Almost uniform, just a slight swirl there. Yeah.
The sample aligns perfectly with the standard.
Temperature is steady at 30 degrees, Supervisor. Cooling rate is optimal.
Excellent. The consistency looks perfect. Let's maintain this flow.
The flow rate on injector 3 is slightly high. We should recalibrate.
Agreed. I'll schedule it for the next maintenance window. Hardness is increasing steadily, Supervisor.
Good. The schedule is accurate and quality is stable. Check the manifest for truck 7. We need 42 pallets of the pink soap.
The stack looks good. Secure it tightly for transit.
This production run has been our most efficient yet. The packaging looks fantastic.
We finalized the last approvals, Supervisor. Everything is ready for the trucks.